plan some programs for
we do have meetings with students.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, sir.
We are having serious discussion. What's up?
Yes, sir. We are planning some programs for our English Fest.
Okay, this time we must include some interesting program.
Yes, sir. We have included number of programs that are helpful for the students to increase their linguistic and communication skills.
Okay, so this time we do one thing. We will add a short film to add some more color, which will focus on the routine life of a student.
Wow, that's a wonderful idea. Through the short way, we can discuss the pressure of our students facing without friends and physical classrooms. So I think it's a beautiful idea.
Except this short film, we will have some other programs like storytelling, action song, phonics, and quotes on importance of English language.
Great, very good. So within few days, you can enjoy the wonderful programs performed by our kids.
Okay, guys, all the best.
Okay, let's talk.
Thank you.
Hi friends. Hi. A warm good morning to one and all. How are you all? I am excellent. As you know, we are going to celebrate our English Day. It is a very important celebration for all of us. Yeah, our teacher selected us to arrange a wonderful program on this day. Our school is running this English club in a very commendable manner. So let's discuss and plan for it. Alright, as it is said, well begun is after. So we will begin our program with a prayer. Let's ask Arundhati S for a prayer. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. I do it thankfully, thankfully. Everything I have, everything I have, all you given me, all you given me. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. I do it thankfully, thankfully. Any song I sing, any place I live, anything I do, it's a gift to you. It's a gift to you. It's a gift to you. Guest and audience make a program successful one. So next we will welcome to our guest and audience. This duty offers to Jebel. Everyone, welcome to each and everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. On this special day, I stand before you on behalf of English Club of Jairani Kindergarten. Finally, this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly awaiting to see our English First. What is an English First? An English First is an occasion for expressing students' creative and innovative ideas. Anyway, before going any further, firstly I welcome our Honorable Principal, Reverend Sister Raisa Kandathil, who gave us inspiration and motivation to conduct this English First. Next, I welcome all our teachers to this program. Finally, I welcome all our parents and students who gave their valuable presence on this special day. Thank you. Have a nice day. An action song enhances creative language, vocabulary, and motor skills. And we all like action song. Let's invite Ananya Sandhi to perform an action song. When I grow up, I am gonna be a teacher. 1, 2, 3, come with me on the sing ABC. When I grow up, I am gonna be a dentist, making your teeth look the best so you can wear a smile. There's so much life can you know but should I be? There's so much like I don't know, but should I be? When I grow up, I am gonna be a pilot, flying high up in the sky in a jumbo jet. When I grow up, I am gonna be a baker, peanut butter jelly donut will be my specialty. There's so much that I don't know, but should I be? There's so much that I don't know, but should I be? When I grow up, I am gonna be an actor. You will see me on TV, a famous star. When I grow up, I am gonna be a doctor. An apple a day keep you feeling great. There's so much like I don't know, but should I be? There's so much like I don't know, but should I be? When I grow up, great. Our principal, Reverend Sister Elsa Kundatil, is our friend, guide, and motivation speaker. We will ask Sister to guide us on this special day.
Good morning, teachers, parents, and my dear students. A warm welcome to all of you. 2 years ago, the world was watching as schools closed across the globe and millions of students began learning online from their homes. The effect of this lockdown is worst for the mental health and happiness of students. They are unable to meet their friends and enjoy what they used to do in pre-COVID days. The enormous potential that they use in their daily life is now blocked. Now, we are continuing the study with the help of different digital learning platforms. Jerani Kindergarten always used to give much importance to the extracurricular activities along with the academic programs to ensure all-round development of students. One of the highlights was the English Fest, which lasted for almost a month. English Fest was a great opportunity for our students to develop their listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. Even though we are stuck with Corona, our school is planning to conduct a program which will provide the students an opportunity to develop their artistic skills as well as their language skills. This year, considering the pandemic situation, the English Fest will be conducted online. I urge all students to participate in the programs and parents to support them. Thank you.
We all are under the limitation of COVID-19 protocol. Our activities are also limited. So, why don't we ask our friend Lakshya that how does this spend their day?
Good morning, Lakshya. It's 7:45 a.m. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Lakshya.
Okay? Come on, make the bed. Okay, make the bed, yeah. That's good. Go brush your teeth. Hey, Lakshya, go slowly. Be careful.
Okay, sir.
Let's brush your teeth.
Okay.
Okay. Lakshya, it's time for your bath. Get ready. Okay. Hey, Lakshya, go slowly.
Amma, I am ready. Please bring my bath.
Oh, I'm coming. Here it is.
Oh, it's over. Good. It's time for your online class. Get ready first.
take a small break and do your homework.
Okay, Amma.
Lakshya, now do your homework.
Okay, Amma.
It's over.
Where are we going, Acha?
I'm going to office. Bye.
Bye, Acha. Have a nice day. I'll come back soon.
Lakshya, do you want to help Amma with some kitchen work?
Sure, Amma. How can I help you?
Please help me to keep the plates on the rack.
Okay, Amma. Come.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome, Amma. Can I watch cartoon for a little while?
Okay, sure, you may.
Thank you, Amma.
Lakshya, switch off the TV. Let's have lunch. Wash your hands and come.
Okay, Amma. Amma, what have you prepared for lunch?
Rice, chicken curry, salad and bitter gourd curry.
Oh, Amma, I don't like this curry.
Lakshya, do you want anything else?
Enough, Amma, I am full. No.
Okay, then go wash your hands and take some rest. Okay?
Okay. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to help it grow, a little sun, a little shadow, a little while and then a flower. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to help it grow, a little sun, a little shadow, a little while and then a flower. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to help it grow.
Hi, Lakshya. Hello.
Hi, Jack. Oh,
Hey, Lakshya, what are you doing?
I'm doing a drawing.
It's beautiful. By the way, how was your day?
It was great. I finished my homework, helped Amma with the kitchen work, and made a drawing too.
Nice. Okay, what did you have for lunch?
I had chicken curry, bitter gourd curry,
Okay.
rice, salad.
Nice. Okay, Lakshya, can you get me a glass of water?
Okay, Jack. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, everyone, let's have tea and snacks. Lakshya, here is your milk.
Okay.
Is it?
Lakshya, it's 6:30 p.m. Prayer time.
Okay.
I'll go and prepare the dinner. Lakshya, go and study for some time.
Elli, Eruma, Chedi, Chevi, Eni, Elam, China, Pena, Oche, Uttagam, Puri, Pudi, Ivar, Airavadam, Tire, Kaida, China, Pena.
Okay, it's dinner time.
Wow, it's my favorite curry.
Okay, Lakshya, come wash your hands.
Lakshya, go brush your teeth, pee, and go to your bed. Acha will read you a story.
Lakshya, did you like the story?
Yep.
Nice, na?
Yeah.
Okay, Lakshya, ready to sleep? Let's pray before bed.
Okay.
Good night, Lakshya.
Good night.
Good night.
Abel Saji told me that he wants to sing an alphabet song for all of us. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F, family. G, goat. H, hat. I, ink. J for joker. Joker. K, lamb. Moon. Net. O for orange. Orange. P, pencil. Q, rabbit. Yes, nose. T for tiger. Tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, water. Yes, sir. Y for yellow. zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. The aim of celebrating English says to the people how important language is English. Our friends would definitely like to say something on this special day. English is the window on the world. English is the most beautiful equation in the world. English is a language of international communication. Learn English, have fun with it. It is the property of the imagination. It is the property of the language itself. Speaking English is hard at first, but with that at end. Knowing English helps us to fly into unlimited knowledge. Knowing English makes it easier to travel. English can be considered as a universal language. It helps us to communicate to the outside world. English is the main language of our planet. English is the passport to a better future. Learn English and get a new soul. English is considered as the language of higher education. Learning English enables people to understand one another regardless their cultural and ethical backgrounds. We like stories very much. We attach to characters and learn a lot from these stories. I think Aryan Prasanna will be ready to tell us a thoughtful story. Hi friends, good morning. Today I am very happy to introduce a person, that is Pinky, my pet dog. See, this is Pinky. Do you want to know about her? My mother gifted me a beautiful pup on my 5th birthday. I was so happy and I named her Pinky. Mother helped me that how to take care of her. We play together and she comes with me wherever I go. I used to give her food and milk. Slowly, we became good friends. One day, while we were walking together, I saw an injured kitten laid by the roadside. I didn't mind, but Pinky barked very badly and looked at me sadly. Then I took him home and they were good care. After some days, we became healthy and we became good friends. I understood that helping mentality is very good quality. Dear friends, don't hesitate to help others. Be kind and merciful. Thank you very much. It is important to learn letters because phonics help children learn how to spell a word and read. This duty we will give to Giovanna and Giovanna. They will present phonics. Morning to all. Here we are presenting the sound of alphabet. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, R, V, W, X, Y, Z. Our principal sister Elsa Tundati, teachers and parents always support us. So, at last, we pay our gratitude towards them. Ayana A would do that. A wonderful morning to our Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Elsa Tundathil, teachers, parents and my dear friends. On this special occasion, it is my duty to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to our teachers, Reverend Sister Elsa Tundathil, for raising today's function. Thank you, sister. Next, I thank all the teachers who give us motivation and support. Thank you, teachers. Lastly, I would like to thank all the parents and my dear friends for your loving presence and support to conduct this program successfully. Once again, I thank you all on behalf of Tirani Kindergarten. Thank you.